I now invite Dr. R. Nagraj sir, the Vice Chancellor of Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education, to enlighten the students with his encouraging words and to share his thoughts regarding the program. Please, sir.
Good evening, all of you. Namaskar. Thank you, Bhavani, for calling me to talk in today's event. Sampradha Pachori, who is the student mentor from IUCEE, Dr. Devaraj, my colleague, uh, my various faculty colleagues who are present in the meeting today, uh, Nikhil, Sairam and Bhavani and Deepika, all of you who are all there enthusiastically present in this meeting today. And all those volunteers who have been contributing immensely towards starting of this chapter IKSC and making it one of the important organs of the university. So at the outset, I would like to thank all of you for working hard and making this possible for all of us. Uh, for me, IUC has become a culture, uh, part of the culture of this university, and it is interleaving in every activity that this university performs and trying to create a great fabric of higher education, which is interlaced with quality as well as with efficacy. Uh, right from the program which is going on excellently now, the IUC NEP initiative for the first year teachers. Uh, it starts from there and it goes on and on and on and on. And, you know, it has become, as I said, a part of all the activities that this university does in creating excellence. Uh, I should really congratulate from the bottom of my heart to the hard work my students have put in making this chapter as you know scientifically arranged as possible, so that the activities are interleaved seamlessly, and you have several departments which are created for seamless functioning of the student chapter. And you have a great mentor in Sampada Madam. So it is wonderful, because when you told us that whatever you put up as the activity charter for IKSC, you said you picked it up from one of her discussions that she had with all of you. It has zeroed out from there. So it is great to know that ma'am is contributing immensely, shoulder to shoulder in making this student chapter one of the best chapters. Uh, I saw all the initiatives. Yes, the initiatives have been wonderful. Uh, I don't know, given to, even as ma'am rightly pointed out, given to professionals also, this wouldn't have come up this well, because you guys have done a great job. Uh, and it is, I see democracy everywhere. I see that when you said that the website has everything and it is quite open, and you have created a grievance tab there. So nothing great than that. Nothing. Most of us sitting in administrative position, we'd always worry about creating a grievance tab because we are always, on the other side of the spectrum, and we always are very much worried about what do we get there. But I should really appreciate the openness of this team, wherein you said you are open to all sorts of criticism, all because unless and until people criticize you, the system doesn't improve, the system doesn't change. So it's always, we should always welcome constructive criticism, and this is one forum where we always have immense scope for improvement. I don't see this as a student chapter at all, because it has come out so well, very professionally designed, and it has all the ingredients of what a chapter of this nature must be. So my again, a big Congratulations and round of applause to all of you who have been part of this initiative. And I never knew that this was happening, because all the initiatives were self-driven, and all of them have been uh, proactive, and being part of this initiative, contributing immensely to each and every aspect of this chapter. And when I see the list of activities that you have, and also created a calendar for what you intend to do in future, and the calendar shall not go just like that, because you have a strong team which is going to back the calendar. I obviously feel that each and every event that you have marked in the calendar shall be organized, and organized in as efficiently as possible, because you have a team which can do it. So I'm very happy to be a part of this event today, and being the head of the institution, I'm always open for any sort of support that you guys need in making this still better. Wish you all the best in all your endeavors, and we are all with you in whatever you intend to do. Thank you very much for calling me here, and it was a wonderful evening for me to be a part of this function. Thank you.